Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. In this AutoCAD 2022 3D modeling drawing tutorial, we will learn how we can create this 3D mechanical drawing using AutoCAD 2022 version. This is the 33rd part of the AutoCAD for Mechanical Engineering series. And one more thing, if you want this 3D model along with a sheet with generated views, I mean a sectional front view along the plane AA, a side view from B, a top view along with a title block, then just download CAD Maniac app from Google Play Store. There you will find everything in an organized manner and a lot more. So once you install the app, I'll guide you in the app, link provided in the description section below. So you'll get this image link in the description section as well. You can download it for your reference. I'm into 3D modeling workspace and the UCS is set to world. So first I'll start with creating this top profile and I'll draw the half section, half I'll mirror. So to start, type L and press enter. I'll proceed this way. So click anywhere in the drawing area, type 45 towards x-axis, 38 towards y, take the cursor towards right. This is 150 less 90, that is 60 divided by 2. So 30 less 6 as the radius is 6 at the corner. So type 24 and press enter. Move towards y, type 40 and press enter. 6 towards right, 10 towards y, 40 towards this side, 25 this way, and 35 towards this side, and 35 towards this side, which is the center of the circle. Now I'll draw two circles. So type C and press enter. Click at this snap. Specify radius as 25. Press enter. Repeat circle command. Click at this snap again. Specify radius as 16. Press enter again. Now erase this line. We don't need this anymore. Now I'll offset a few lines. So type O and press enter. Specify offset distance as 10. Press enter. Then select the lines as shown. And then click in the sides as shown to offset. Always right click to exit from any command. Then type L and press enter and draw this line. Now I'll add a few fillets. So type F and press enter. Type R and press enter to specify radius. Set radius as 12. Press enter and then select the lines as shown to add fillets. Right click to repeat, add this one as well. Repeat fillet command, type R and press enter, change radius to 6, press enter, add the fillet as shown. Change the radius to 3 and add this one. Okay, I think all is done. No, actually this one is remaining. This is radius 3. So add this fillet as shown. Then select the lines as shown. Type MI and press enter. And then click at the two quadrants as shown and press enter to mirror it at the other side as well. Now to convert this into 3D, click on press pull tool or type PRES and press enter. Click inside this boundary. Type M and press enter to enable multiple. Then click at the other two boundaries as shown. Press enter. Bring the cursor downwards and type 10 and press enter to extrude. Repeat press pull command. Click inside this boundary and extrude it upwards by 38 units as shown. Then click inside this boundary and extrude it upwards by 25 units. Always right click to exit from any command. Now to create these holes, first turn the dynamic UCS on by pressing F6. Then type C and press enter. Then while highlighting this face, take an extension downwards of 12 units as shown. Specify radius as 5, press enter. Then select the circle and move it towards left by 12 units as shown. Now I'll mirror the circle to this side as well So first select it, then type 3DMI and press enter. Then click at this center snap, click once in this side, click upwards to specify the mirroring plane and press enter to mirror the circle to this side as well. Now click on press pull tool, click inside the circle and press pull cut it backwards. Same for this one, right click to exit. Now for this part, I'll set the UCS to right. Now I'll draw two circles maintaining this distance. So type C and press enter. Take 66 units extension downwards from the endpoint snap as shown. Specify radius as 19, press enter. Repeat circle command, click at the center snap, specify radius as 10, press enter. Now to draw these lines, type L and press enter. Click at this endpoint snap and then click at this tangent snap. Now I'll mirror this to this side. So select it, type 3DMI and press enter. Click at the center snap, click upwards and then click in this side and press enter to mirror the line to the other side of the circle as well. Now orbit the model a bit so that the bottom part is visible like this, and then draw a line as shown. Now I'll add a fillet of radius 25 over here. So type F and press enter, type R and press enter, specify radius as 25, press enter, then select the two lines as shown to add fillet. Now draw a line as shown. Now if I use press pull tool to extrude, it won't. So first I have to set the UCS to this face. So type UCS and press enter, type F and press enter, and then select this face and press enter. Now click on press pull tool, click inside this boundary, extrude it backwards by 10 units, this one backwards by 13 units, this face towards front by 3 units as shown. So this is done. Now select it, type 3DMI and press enter. Click at this midpoint snap, click downwards, click towards this side and press enter to mirror the part to the other side as well. So it's almost complete. Now I'll union all the parts together. So type UNI and press enter. Select it completely and press enter to union. Now you can select it completely. Press shift and click on this model to deselect it. Then just erase all the lines. Now I'll add this radius of 6 units. So go to solid tab, click on fillet edge, click at this edge, click on radius in the command line. Specify radius as 6 units and press enter twice to add the fillet. Same way, do it on the other side as well. So that's it. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.